Morning everybody, Gary Porter again. I've got primaries and secondaries done. I got a 7-turn primary, which I can back off to whatever turns I need to tune it. About 262 turns of secondary, and I can strip off some of that for tuning. The 2 antennas are done, and the mount works good, and everything's great. I'm going to put a couple of connectors on the back over here to connect to the system, and same thing on the other coil. And I'm using these plastic screws to mount, and that seems to work pretty good. I've also varnished or polyurethaned the surfaces because they were getting pretty tarnished, so I'm going to see how that works with aura and all that sparking or whatever, and we'll adjust accordingly. And so that's where we are right now. And let me zoom in here and show you how I did the primaries. I made some holes in the PVC so I come through with the black wire, and I've got to mount that to the connector. And I used the finer wire here. I actually took this black wire that goes through the 3/8 hole all the way to the back, came up through, and then I put that beside the copper heavy primary, and then I used the finer wire to like a tie wrap going right around it, and then soldered that. So that worked out pretty good. And I've got some goop right here just to support it. I'm not sure what that'll do with the energy, but at this point, who cares? And if I need to remove it, I need to remove it and tie wrap the coil, whatever. And I got one coat of varnish on here, and I got to put some more of that, but I want to do the whole thing now with varnish. But I want to, before I do any more varnishing, I want to do the basic tuning. And so that's it. Anyway, have a nice morning.